LearnLogic Pro is proud to present Logic Pro 9 at LearnLogicPro.com. Hi, and welcome to LearnLogicPro.com. Today we're going to look at the bin. So I've opened up a Logic project here, and on the right hand side in the media section here you'll find the bin tab. Now, in earlier versions of Logic, the bin was considered the audio window. In other applications, it's the sound bytes folder, it could be the audio pool, maybe in Cubase. It's essentially the area where you hold all of the audio files that are associated with the project. Now, do note that files can be inside the bin that may not actually reside in the arrangement. So you can have lots of different files in the bin and only use half of those files or just a percentage of those files in the actual arrangement. So I've got a folder here with a number of audio loops. I'm going to put this aside. Now, to add files into the bin, it's very simple. You can simply drag a file in there where you get a plus symbol and it shows the file, and you let go and it essentially adds it into the bin. And again, into the bin only, you'll notice it is not in the arrange window. I could also add a file directly into the arrange window, and when I let go, it also adds it here in the bin as well. So you'll notice that again, because it's in the arrange window, it resides in the bin. Okay. You can also add audio file by clicking this tab and adding the audio file, or adding a region. Now, adding an audio file essentially gives you the Finder window view, which you can then browse through your computer for the specific audio file that you want. At the bottom you have an add window, and you can play the audio file, previewing it right here. Now, in the audio bin, you've got certain drop-down options, and let's just review those very quickly. Here you have audio file or add region from the arrange window. You can save regions as a new file. You can also update any file information if you've changed it, and you can add that file into the arrange window. You also have options that are grayed out, and these options are grayed out because right now with this particular file, these are not editable. This file is not editable, so you don't see these particular options. To add this in the audio window, or the arrange window rather, you simply just drag it right out. Very simple. Okay. Now, one thing I wanted to note is if you're looking at a file here, say this file, it shows the single file. Now, if I repeat this file, you'll notice there's two now. If I edit this file at all, you'll notice on the right hand side that you will see the actual edits. So this file here is just that sliver, okay? And if you want to use that sliver back in the arrange window, you can actually drag it out here into the arrange window, which it basically copies it, but it's just that sliver. Instead of repeating it or dragging it here, you can drag that new slice out of here. Okay. Inside the edit window, you have undo certain options that you've done. You have an undo history showing you all of the moves that you've done and a history of those particular edits. Cut, copy, paste, delete, select all, select unused, and select used. Now, these options here I do want to talk about real quick. Sometimes when you have a project and it's finished and you want to go back to that project and maybe clean out any unused audio files that are not being used in the arrange window, that's what this option is. So when you select unused, it shows you the files that are not being used in the arrange window. If these files were being used in the arrange window, obviously they would not have shown up. This gives you an option to clear out or clean the audio bin of any files that may not be, again, used in this arrangement. Finally, you have view. This is viewing this particular window. These are different options for viewing, if it's name, size, depth, bit depth, or file type. You also have show regions, hide regions, sort by, creating groups, grouping the files in specific attributes or locations, showing regions, and the colors, so you can actually change colors in here as well, or sort by those colors. In the bottom corner you have an option to preview this and loop it, and a volume control for the previewing of the file. So you can actually listen to this as the arrange is going on and actually do a little sub mix, making sure that it's correct. So this is the audio bin in Logic Pro 9 at learnlogicpro.com. Please tune in for more videos and check out our website at learnlogicpro.com for all of these videos in high quality at 99 cents each. Have a great day, and thanks for tuning in. Learn Logic Pro is proud to present Logic Pro 9 at learnlogicpro.com.